to my channel. This is Ben Online Maths. And today we'll look at this question on the board. If a fair coin is tossed twice, what is the probability of obtaining at least a head? Now, if a coin has two sides, head and tail. Now, if this coin is tossed twice, if that coin is tossed the first time is either we get a head or a head. If the coin is tossed second time, is that we get a head or a tail. Now, if the coin is tossed the third time, is that we get a tail or a head. And if the coin is tossed the first time, is that we get a tail or a tail. So this question says, if a fair coin is tossed twice, what is the probability of obtaining at least a head? Now, the first outcome, we have two heads here. So we see the question says at least a head. So this one satisfies the probability. In the second toasting, we have head here, so this also satisfies the probability. And in third outcome, we have head. So the probability of obtaining at least a head is 3/4. Now, if we convert this to decimal, we're going to have 0.75. Please, if you get value from this topic, to press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see. And also, please do like and share this video.